Hello, my name is Romain. I come from France and now I'm working in Houe province. I came to Nanjing to study in 2005 and met my wife there. Since then, we have settled in Nanjing. Due to the work needs, in 2018, I came to Houe province, which is less than 100 kilometers away from Nanjing. Both cities are located in China Yangtze River Delta regions. From then on, I start commuting between Nanjing and Houe every week. The whole journey from my home in Nanjing to my dormitory in Houe takes less than 2 hours. Thanks to the subway, the high-speed train and the monorail in Houe connect all along the way. Coincidentally, the company I work for is engaged in rail transit, such as monorail, APM, and art. We not only have projects in the Yangtze River Delta and various parts of China, but also conduct overseas business in Thailand, Brazil, Singapore, and other places in the world. I love running and triathlon, and I run every week. Over the years, I have participated in marathons on weekends in many places in China, thanks to China's convenient transportation. China is promoting the integrated regional development of the Yangtze River Delta. In my opinion, this will help to achieve coordinated development among regions and achieve common prosperity. I look forward to visiting more places in the Yangtze River Delta and participate in the local marathon and see the development there. Let's go!